Hi, welcome to the World Environment Day presentation by Anushia Mufafika. And today we are going to discuss about what is World Environment Day and why we are celebrating and when this day will started and more information about the environment. Welcome. World Environment Day is celebrated every year on June 5 to remind people about the importance of nature. The purpose of World Environment Day is to spread awareness about the threat to the environment due to rising pollution levels and climate changes. And the first World Environment Day was observed in 1974, giving a global platform for inspiring positive changes in the environment. World Environment Day, the theme was ecosystem restoration. And this year, Pakistan will host the day this year in the collaboration with the UAE Environment Program. What is ecosystem? The ecosystem is a community of plants and animals interacting with each other in a given area. Ecosystem restoration means it's defined as a process of reversing the degradation of ecosystems, such as landscapes, lakes, and oceans to regain their ecological functionality. Why it's important? Healthy soils sustain life on Earth. Relationship with nature. Our relationship with nature is healthy. How can the ecosystem restore? The restoration may be planting things.